We're going live right now in Rios. We're at Rios and we're gonna go live and we're gonna go surprise some people in my new Anansi-Man costume, right? So let's have some fun.
This is where I'm from. Amazing.
Up humor and romance. You may have visited, but I'll carry on, finding strength in others in every time. We walk alone, echoes of laughter, now overgrown. We walk alone. The sting when the hope of your humor begins to take wing. But I'm not just a plot, just a punchline. You're part of the silly silent theater I'm drowning in regret. So here I stand with my heart displayed, trying to mend the pieces of this broken clay. Why couldn't you laugh? Turn the tide of this glue. Now this anger is growing, filling the room. Rewind a moment, that laughter ever collide? Was it too dry or too harsh to abide? In the echo of jokes, I still hear your pause. In this frustrated dance where I pause for applause. So here I stand with my heart on display, trying to mend the pieces of this broken clay. Why couldn't you laugh? Turn the tide of this glue. Now this anger is growing, filling the room.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, so
Wow. And now you see him in real life.
Amazing. Nice to meet you.
You too. Keep up the good work.
Thank you very much.
Keeping Jamaica safe.
All right, it's all about fun, yeah?
You don't like the bobsled team with the bobsled thing?
You know, I've heard that before. For real.
That's what they do.
I think we fit together. Oh, that's fun.
Take off your mask.
No, that's too much.
I'm masked.
You remember Michael
Talk is-
Jackson?
Yes.
And when the girls see their face, that's you.
Talk is cheap.
No, for real. No joke.
Make sure you come and approach me here.
Yeah.
All right.
Fine.
Start us off the gas.
Yeah.
Together.
Oh my.
I'm making it.
Something else. Those grandmothers. I'm a great grand. 68, 66.
Wow.
Yes,
You can't. You can't.
Amazing, looking amazing, alright?
Thank you, thank you.
That's amazing.
Oh, you guys are matching. He's so good at this.
Alright, goodbye guys. That was the end of the tour. Ocho Rios. Ocho Rios. That was fun. I have to go back to the pool. Yeah? To the pool we go. Alright.